Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how I generate logo design ideas, logo sketching, and logo vectorizing by Adobe Illustrator, so let's get started. First, go to the website bar and search by keyword dog. Then go to Pinterest.com and explore some dog image. Again search the keyword dog leaf logo on Google. More you will see, more you will get your logo design ideas. After exploring some ideas, now let's jump into the Photoshop and trying to do some sketches. If you don't have digital device, you can follow along with pen and paper. So after do some modifications, we got this design. Now let's jump into the Illustrator and vectorizing it. First select the sketching image, set the opacity 40%, go to the object, lock, and click on selection, so that we cannot move it. Set the color full black, and swap the color from fill to stroke. After that take the pen tool, and start drawing like me. Do it very carefully so that we can get the best curve. Don't worry about the overlapping line, we will fix that soon. If we don't get a smooth curve, then we can use the smooth tool. Now we will draw the eyes. For the leaf, let's make a leaf first, then we will copy and paste all over the shape. Now let's spread out the leaf shape all over the sketch. After that select all the line, take the shape builder tool, and delete the overlapping line by pressing Alt and click. Now select all the leaf, and group it. Then go to Edit, and click on Cut. Select all the line, and set the stroke size 20 points. Swap the eyes stroke to fill. And paste the leaf by pressing Ctrl and F from the keyboard. and then swap the color from stroke to fill. Now select all the line, go to Object, and click on Expand. We can see a small problem here. Just select all the shape, and delete the outside shape, by the Shape Builder tool. Now select all the shape, go to the Pathfinder panel, and unite all the shape together. Now let's color the logo step by step. First select all the line and pick this color by the eyedropper tool. Then take Shape Builder tool, and make shape all of this white part. After that select every single shape with Direct Selection tool, and pick color like that. Okay, our color part is done. Now just create a shadow shape here with the pen tool, and color it. So this is the end of this video. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.